Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a quick Scrapbook.com haul for you guys, and I'm going to be sharing this super cute collection that I picked up. It is by Echo Park and it is called Teen Spirit. And you guys, when I saw this collection, I nearly died because it is so me, so girly, unicorns, very 90s and 80s vibe. Just the color scheme on this collection is beautiful. I absolutely love it and I had to purchase it. So of course I picked up a majority of the collection and I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you haven't come across it, you definitely go check it out because it is perfect for the summer. And just if you're into that girly vibe like I am, this is going to be perfect for you. I have a project in mind with this, so definitely stay tuned for a project share because that is coming soon. But let's get into my haul. So of course I picked up the collection kit. I always like to pick up these paper kits because you get 12 sheets, which is always enough for just a project that I want to create. They're double-sided. You get also a sticker pack, and then you get your cutter parts as well. So I'm going to go through the paper and show you guys what we have going on here. And let me just move this. So let's go through the papers. This is the journaling cards, but that's the opposite side. And here are your cards, and you guys, look at that. Girl power, don't stop the music, she believed she could and so she did, let the good times roll, stay colorful girl, shine on, you are magical, you got this girl, you go girl, that's my jam, girls just want to have fun, which by the way is my favorite movie. If you guys don't know, it's like from the 80s, the late 80s, early 90s. Treat yourself. Well, not treat yourself. Treat yourself. Super cute. I can't wait to cut these out and like decorate my projects with them. So I got that one. Is that a double paper? Oh, I think they put two. Oh no, I ended up purchasing two of these. One came with the collection kit, and then I purchased one separately. So we got those. And we have this one with all the super cute little phrases like, hey girl, yes, shine. So cute. And you guys, the colors of this collection, the colors are so vibrant, so pretty. I cannot wait to see what my project is going to look like. I can envision it, but when I look at the paper, it's just so pretty. You know what, you guys, I think you get two of each in this paper pack. So I'm going to probably end up with 3 of these. Yes, I am. So there's 2 of those, 2 of these, which I think is awesome because I think it was only like $13. It was like 20% off. So this one has a bunch of cassette tapes. And then the back has some, I think, 4x6 cards. Look how cute. And then we have this one, which looks like it has like sprinkles, and then on the opposite, I can't talk, you guys, I can't. On the opposite side, it has like little flare buttons. You know those little pin buttons that we used to collect and put them on our jean jackets? That's what this is. Then we have the unicorn paper, the purple background, some more cutter parts. These are perfect to share with your pen pals. And then the last paper is like this minty green with some cupcakes and donuts and ice cream, all that yummy stuff that is so bad for us. And then the opposite side is like emojis. You guys, isn't this collection so cute? I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to play. And then I got a freebie. This was Scrapbook.com, I think last week was having 7 days of like freebies with your order. So I got the one with the free adhesive. And then, of course, I picked up another extra cardstock stickers that comes with the collection. I didn't show you guys. Did I show you guys that it comes with a sticker pack? I actually even didn't show you that. I'm all over the place in this video. I just wanted to film it real quick before the sun comes down. But these are the stickers that we get. Look at that, you guys. A lava lamp, the roller skate, the ring pop, the Game Boy, the vintage telephone. So cute, you guys. I just remember as a kid having all these things, and it's just like super cute and exciting to remember that. And I did think I picked up, yep, one of those extra sheets, the cut apart sheets. That's what that is. You see that? So I did pick that up. I'm gonna just keep that in here. Oops. I like to keep the packaging that Scrapbook.com sends because I always end up using this chipboard in my projects because it's a really good quality chipboard. I also picked up the paper pad because you guys, they were having a sale. It was like 20 or 30% off the collection, and that was a great deal. I got like all of this. Oops, I think it has a little thing on it. I got all of this for like under 40 bucks, I think. And that regular price, it would have been probably like 50 or something. I just cannot stand the shipping on Scrapbook.com because it was like $9 to ship, which is, I think, is ridiculous. Let me get that, you guys. Oh, it's double-sided. I like that. I like that a lot. So I got the paper pad, and then of course I picked up the frames and tags, and that's what you get. I'm not gonna take them out because I don't want this video to be super duper long. And then I got the ephemera pack. I'm not really a huge fan of Echo Park ephemera packs just because I feel like they don't give a very good variety. So which is why I buy the digital collection, because when you purchase the digital collections, you do get a better selection. But this is what you get in the pack. And I'll just have to work with what I have for now because this is not offered in digital as of yet. But you guys know that when it is, Lily will be getting it. But yeah, you guys, that is my all over the place Scrapbook.com haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.